Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start on the home screen of your Infinix S8 with the device unlocked. First, press and hold an empty area until the home options appear. Then tap Settings or Home Settings at bottom. This opens Layout and Style controls. Make sure you note current launcher name so you can revert. Once the menu opens, select Home Screen Style or Layout. Choose between standard and simple modes to preview difference. This establishes the baseline for further customization. Tap a preview to confirm choice. Now customize icons, grid, and widgets. Tap icon style or icon size to change shape and scale. Choose circle, square, or rounded. For grid, open Home Layout or Grid option and pick 4x5 or 5x6 to fit more apps. Widgets require long press on blank space, then widgets. Choose clock, weather, or folder widgets and drag them to desired spot. Make sure to tap Apply or Done where present. These adjustments control space, legibility, and quick access without changing your launcher. The final steps are confirming and testing. After adjusting layout and icons, tap Save or Apply, then return to Home to inspect spacing, labels, and widget behavior. Rearrange any icons by dragging. Remove unwanted items by dragging to Remove or Trash. If notifications or shortcuts behave oddly, reboot the phone once and recheck settings. If problems persist, reset Home Settings in Home Settings, reset to default. This restores the original style without erasing apps. One troubleshooting tip: back up a layout screenshot before reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.